Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, Su-30 to get MUMT capabilities. India's formidable Sukhoi 30 Mk1 fleet, 30 Mki fleet is set for a significant upgrade as the Ministry of Defense is poised to give the final green light to a comprehensive modernization program. This ambitious project aims to equip the aircraft with cutting-edge indigenous system, dramatically enhancing its combat capabilities. Key areas slated for improvement include the radar, mission computer, electronic warfare suite, cockpit layout, and weapon systems. Next, Rudram testing phase of the Rudram M2 air-to-surface missile. Ashish Rajvanshi, CEO of Adani Defence and Aerospace, has confirmed the ongoing development and testing phase of the Rudram M2 air-to-surface missile. At approximately 11:30 hours on May 29th, the missile underwent a successful flight test from the Su-30 Mki platform of Indian Air Force off the coast of Odisha. Rajvanshi further revealed that additional drop trials are scheduled over the next 6 months, with the missile expected to be ready for serial production by mid-2025. Next, drone-based electronic intelligence system. Bharat Electronics Limited, Hyderabad, is taking a significant leap forward in electronic intelligence system with the development of a drone-based ELINT system. The prototype system marks an important step in bolstering India's electronic warfare capabilities. BEL has finalized the system specification and procured hardware for the ELINT payload for a drone-based system. Next, FICV to undergo user trial later this year. Dr. Samir V. Kamath, Secretary of the Defense DDR&D, the chairman of the DRDO, has confirmed that the futuristic infantry combat vehicle, that is FICV, is on track for user trials later this year. This significant development comes despite the fact that the vehicle has yet to be officially rolled out. The FICV project gained substantial momentum last year when the Defense Acquisition Council, chaired by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, approved its procurement for the Indian Army. Next, the new EMSO lab. Kausar SDR, a flagship brand of Cryonics Innovation Labs Private Limited, has achieved a significant milestone with the establishment of the Electromagnetic Spectrum Operation EMSO lab at the Military College of Telecommunication Engineering. This state-of-the-art facility marks a new chapter in indigenous software-defined radio technology. Next, MOU signed for counter UAV solutions. GRSE Limited on Monday said that it has signed an MOU with Bengaluru-based Merlin Hawk Aerospace Private Limited for developing a counter unmanned aerial vehicle solution using electro-optical fire control system with close-range Naval 91 gun and electro-optical infrared search and track system. The two companies will also collaborate in the development of composite doors and hatches for use on naval ships. Next, ISRO conducts flight experiment of air-breathing propulsion system. The ISRO successfully carried out the second experimental flight for the demonstration of air-breathing propulsion technology at 7 a.m. today. The propulsion system was symmetrically mounted on either side of RH-560 sounding rocket and launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. The flight test achieved satisfactory performance of the sounding rocket along with successful ignition of the air breathing propulsion system. Thank you.